Hello there. Remember, before starting an exercise program, it is always important to consult with your doctor. When beginning an exercise program, you always want to start easy, then make it a little harder. The exercise performed in this video is meant to be used as an example. In order to follow progressions properly, please use the stay-at-home exercise program for older adults. Whenever performing exercise, always ensure you have enough space. Exercise number 4. Hinge. When performing the hinge movement, make sure you keep your back flat and slightly bend your knees for stability. Remember to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale.